Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're at trustedshopify.com and today we are in the kitchen. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our top 10 earth-friendly kitchen appliances. There are a lot of factors that can affect the environment, which is why many individuals make it a point to use earth-friendly products. Since the kitchen is where a lot of cooking and heating takes place, it's a great place to start your path toward a more environmentally friendly lifestyle. To help you get started, our team has compiled a list of 10 earth-friendly kitchen appliances that can help make the world a greener place. The team at TrustedShopify.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the earth-friendly kitchen appliances that'll be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you, making it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You're welcome to check us out on TrustedShopify.com for more of our research in the kitchen, or alternatively, subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first earth-friendly kitchen appliance in our list is the ThermoPro Digital Kitchen Timer. The ThermoPro is a multifunctional timer with a number of features. This is the perfect choice for cooking and baking, but it can also be used for other activities such as exercise, homework, and managing video game time. With large digits in its LCD display, 3 volume levels, and a user-friendly backlight, this versatile timer is a brilliant all-around tool. In terms of size, the device measures 4.5 by 4 by 1.5 inches and weighs 4.2 ounces. TrustedShopify.com has awarded the ThermoPro Digital Kitchen Timer a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following. Dual timer mode. You can set 2 different timers at the same time to keep track of different tasks. Built-in calendar and a clock. This gives you reminders to keep you updated on those important upcoming events. Multiple placement options. You can place your digital timer wherever it's best suited for you, such as the countertop with its stand, or magnetize it to your fridge. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is loud beeping sound. The beeping sound every time you press the button is a bit loud. The second earth-friendly kitchen appliance in our list is the Oster Convection Countertop and Toaster Oven. The Oster sports a sleek design that fits most kitchen decor. It includes a single door handle that allows you to open both doors with one hand. We would also like to highlight that it sports digital controls and functions that enable you to make dried fruits and vegetables, as well as a 90-minute timer that turns the oven off and a preheat feature that indicates if the oven has reached the desired cooking temperature. In terms of size, the oven measures 23.8 by 20.15 by 15.1 inches and weighs 18.1 pounds. TrustedShopify.com has awarded the Oster Convection Countertop and Toaster Oven a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following. Large capacity. It's capable of holding 2 16-inch pizzas, a family-sized chicken, roast, casserole, or 14 slices of bread. Dual rack. 2 racks offer maximum cooking flexibility. A durable baking pan and a baking rack serve as a broiling pan when assembled. The removable crumb tray also makes cleanup easy. Turbo convection backing feature. The turbo convection heat technology circulates hot air throughout the oven for faster and more even cooking. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the door can get hot, so be sure not to burn yourself. The third earth-friendly kitchen appliance in our list is the LG InstaView door-and-door refrigerator. The LG InstaView refrigerator features a sleek tinted glass panel that illuminates the interior with 2 quick knocks, allowing you to see inside without opening the door. It has a capacity of 30 cubic feet, and its slim Space Plus Eye system is built into the refrigerator door to allow for even more space for door bins. On top of that, the refrigerator has a fingerprint and smudge-resistant finish that easily wipes clean with a soft, dry cloth. The refrigerator's dimensions are 72 by 36 by 34 inches, and it weighs 319 pounds. TrustedShopify.com has awarded the LG InstaView door-and-door refrigerator a 3-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Cool Guard technology. The stainless steel panel helps maintain cold air while adding to its elegant look. 3 cooling technologies. The linear cooling keeps temperatures within 1 degree Fahrenheit of the setting, the smart cooling uses sensors and vents for overall cooling control, and the Door Cooling Plus delivers blasts of cool air to all areas of the refrigerator. Dual ice maker with craft ice. It boasts a slow melting round ice maker that automatically makes upscale craft ice at home effortlessly. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it's a hefty unit, but it stores a great amount of produce. The fourth earth-friendly kitchen appliance in our list is the VENTRAY Countertop Portable Dishwasher. This dishwasher by VENTRAY features a compact and portable design that allows you to move it around with ease. It's capable of holding 2 place settings of tableware, making it the ideal choice for a small kitchen or your apartment, dorm, camper, RV, or boat. As for the size, the unit measures 17.32 by 16.26 by 16.69 inches and weighs 38.5 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the VENTRAY Countertop Portable Dishwasher a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: 5 washing programs. The dishwasher comes with 5 user-friendly wash cycle options, namely Eco, Daily, Intense, Fast Wash, and Glass. 360-degree spray arms. The lower spray arms deliver 360-degree rotations for a powerful deep cleaning. High heat. The dishwasher heats up to 158 degrees Fahrenheit to dissolve heavy oil and stubborn stains. Air refresh feature. A 24-hour automatic intermittent ventilation keeps dishes dry and clean without any peculiar smells. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it cannot accommodate large items such as saucepans or fry pans. The 5th earth-friendly kitchen appliance in our list is the Tefal Everday Slim Induction Hob. The Tefal is suitable for pans from 3.94 inches to 10.24 inches in size. It features a compact design which makes it ideal for smaller kitchens. Using induction cooking, the Tefal doesn't have any open flames that can burn your fingers, and only the pan is heated, making it more energy efficient. We'd also like to highlight its scratch-resistant black ceramic that backs its durability. In terms of size, the induction hub measures 2.56 by 11.81 by 14.57 inches and weighs 5.84 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Tefal Everyday Slim Induction Hob a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: 6 various functions. The induction hob features 6 functions such as low temperature, simmer, boil, boost, stir-fry, and fry to ensure the best results. Robust power. The unit has 7 power levels from 300 watts to 2100 watts for high-precision cooking. Timer function. The unit features a 180-minute timer in 1-minute increments, plus a pause function that allows you to start and stop cooking. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the lowest heat setting can be a bit high. The 6th earth-friendly kitchen appliance in our list is the Ninja Foodi Max 14-in-1 SmartLid Multi-Cooker. The Ninja Foodi Max features 3 modes and 14 cooking functions under a single smart lid. It's best suited for up to 6 people and is capable of cooking and crisping a whole 13-pound chicken. Dimension-wise, the unit is 15.67 by 15.39 by 17.24 inches in size and weighs 24.91 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Ninja Foodi Max 14-in-1 Smart Lid Multi-Cooker a 5-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: easy to clean. The pressure cooker features a non-stick and dishwasher-safe cooking pot. Combi steam mode. This allows for juicy and crispy results in under 30 minutes. Quick cooking process. The unit can pressure cook up to 70% faster than traditional cooking methods. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it's a bit bulky, so be sure to have some extra space for it. The 7th earth-friendly kitchen appliance in our list is the Breville Blend Active Personal Blender and Smoothie Maker. This blender by Breville allows you to make smoothies, juices, protein shakes, and more while on the go. The blending happens in the top portion of the bottle, so nothing gathers in the base. Its quick blending process makes it the ideal choice for busy weekday mornings before heading out to work, school, or the gym. In terms of size, it measures 5.31 by 5.12 by 15.94 inches and weighs 3 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Breville Blend Active Personal Blender and Smoothie Maker a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: easy to use. The unit's one-touch blending action delivers delicious results in mere seconds. Robust motor. Its 300-watt motor smoothly blends frozen berries and ice with juice and other liquids for a perfect smoothie. Easy to clean. The detachable blade and blending bottle are conveniently dishwasher safe, saving you a lot of time and energy. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it produces a loud, high-pitched sound during operation. The 8th earth-friendly kitchen appliance in our list is the Russell Hobbs 2-slice toaster. The Russell Hobbs toaster features a premium black plastic with a honeycomb-inspired texture design, making it a sleek and elegant addition to your countertop. In terms of size, the toaster measures 10.79 by 7.20 by 7.87 inches and weighs 3.70 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Russell Hobbs 2-slice toaster a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following. 3 handy functions. The toaster features a frozen, cancel, and reheat function. This means you can toast a frozen slice, reheat a piece you've forgotten about, or press cancel to save your toast from burning. High lift feature. This enables you to effortlessly lift your toast out of the toaster safely and easily from its extra wide slots. Removable crumb tray. This allows you to collect all of your crumbs and throw them straight into your bin with minimal effort. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it takes up to 6 minutes of toasting time. The 9th earth-friendly kitchen appliance on our list is the Hario coffee grinder. The Hario features a small and lightweight design that makes it the perfect travel accessory for coffee lovers everywhere. This grants them easy access to freshly ground coffee. The ceramic mill is easily adjusted for the right grind coarseness, allowing a consistent grind for perfectly fresh coffee. As for the size, the unit measures 4 by 7 by 3 inches and weighs 10.6 ounces. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Hario coffee grinder a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following. Ergonomic design. The grinder features an ergonomic handle and shaft coupling for optimal traction. Perfect grinding action. The ceramic conical burrs transfer less heat and shave coffee beans to deliver a precise and uniform grind. Portable features. The ergonomically designed crank handle is detachable, allowing for compact storage and easy travel. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it has numerous parts, making the cleaning process a bit challenging. The 10th earth-friendly kitchen appliance on our list is the Hobbs Cordless Electric Kettle. This electric kettle features a honeycomb textured finish on premium quality black plastic, which adds a lot of style to the kitchen. It has a 1.7-liter capacity, making it perfect for all sorts of events. In terms of size, the kettle measures 6.33 by 8.62 by 9.45 inches and weighs 2.38 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Hobbs Cordless Electric Kettle a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following. Quick boiling capacity. The kettle is able to boil 1 cup in as little as 43 seconds. Perfect pour spout. Its spout is designed to provide you with a streamlined flow of water for a seamless brew making experience minus the spillages. Safety feature. With boil drying protection, this prevents the kettle from boiling if there is not enough water inside of it. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it can be a bit wobbly when it reaches the boiling point, but this won't affect the performance. And there you have it, folks, our top 10 earth-friendly kitchen appliances, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next earth-friendly kitchen appliance roundup, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchen great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.